now we're going to connect these lines, the COPV with the corresponding thruster pods. We just apply some glue under here and here, also in the tip of here, and part of the COPV here, and pretty much that's it. Let me use this one. And that's it. So three are connected right away. You have to bend this little piece, it will connect to the COPV, and these are connected under each pod. We'll have to let it dry, and then we're gonna do the next one. Thank you. Okay, we continue, and we have completed all the little additions on the dome, the ladder. We completed the connections of the COPVs with the corresponding thruster pods here. There's a little vent here also as well, here, this one here. So these little tiny pieces, you have to be very patient in cutting them appropriately and just gluing them on their corresponding areas. Down here there are these trays on each side, these umbilicals, and another one down here. That's a pretty straightforward assembly. Just the walls need to be glued. And the last piece, oh, there's another tiny little thing here on the front leg. Okay, and now we're going to do the struts that go on the side of the legs. There are 6, 2 for each leg, and the way they are assembled, I'm gonna move the camera now here. Use a cotton swab stick and glue it to the provided template. Just glue it, cut the tips in an angle as indicated by the template, and then start gluing them on the black dots onto the lower pole of the leg, like this. All right, I'm going to be doing a demonstration. So here we have one template face down. We're going to apply glue on the stick. Right in the center. And apply glue on the paper as well here, onto the other side. And then just start curving the entire piece, rolling it, until it's totally completely covered. then let it dry a little bit. So we can cut now the tips, but following the angle, just to be more precise, you can do it with a knife. Be very careful. If not, you can use a scissor. Now it depends what material you're gonna use. In this case, as I mentioned, I'm using a cotton swab stick, you know. So let's continue more. All right, so more or less there it is. Now it's a trial and error, because depending on how much you have cut, you will need to see if it fits. So one end, let me put the camera now. I'm gonna set the camera here. One end will go on the black dot like that, and the other one and the other end will go here on the leg. No, let me just set the camera. All right, much better. So like this. So we just have to glue it, and that goes for all the legs. And as you can see now, we have all the legs ready to roll and start applying them. All right, one by one. And we have more elements. These are the crush feet that will go at the bottom of each leg. It's actually like a ring glued to a circle. We have it here. This will be the base, and this is the part that it would need to be curved, folded on this X shape here in the middle. You fold it. Actually, the shaded white areas are the indication where you have to make the fold, and at the end you fold these tabs that will go together. Fold this area as well. We apply glue on this area like this, and then that part is glued to the circle. At the end we glue the last two parts, such as this, and then this is glued at the base of one leg like that. All right, let's assemble all three. And here they are, the crushed feet all assembled and actually crushed. You can just push it down, and once it dries, we can put it on each leg, at the bottom of each leg. All right.